Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a physical stock voucher, updating the current stock. How to create a new physical stock voucher. To begin, head to Inventory Vouchers under the Inventory tab. Select Physical Stock. Now click on New Physical Stock. Enter the necessary details, including voucher date, item, quantity, and rate. Now to save the voucher, click on Save Changes. Your physical stock voucher is now created. How to edit or delete physical stock voucher. Go to Inventory Vouchers, select Physical Stock, and choose the voucher that you want to edit. Now, click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.